Yeah, I think everybody remembers their Pehla Pyar. It's the first love. Do you remember your Pehla Pyar?
यार उस टाइम पे लगता है कि वो प्यार है, फिर बाद में लगता है कि शायद नहीं था. Oh, clock. It happens.
ये अभी भी कैरेक्टर में है, तो अभी भी आली की कैरेक्टर में है.
What about you, Rashmika?
Guys, I'm very happy being married right now, so I don't think I should backtrack
But
that.
you can still remember your Pehla Pyar.
Why? No, I'm very happy here, present.
Sunidhi, what about you?
वैसे तो पहले प्यार कई बार होते हैं मुझे ऐसा लगता है
रोज होते हैं to some people.
बट आई थिंक आई मीन आई एम श्योर आई मैरिड द पहला लव
Wow, that doesn't happen.
मैरिड हिम या
Thank you so much,
Shahid,
Sunidhi,
what
and
about
thank you.
Shahid, what about you?
What about me?
Since you asked me about my Pehla Pyar, what
I
was
said
your
ना सबको याद रहता है, but what matters is your आखिरी प्यार, no? The final one. पहला प्यार तो पता भी नहीं होता क्या हो रहा है actually उस टाइम पे, you know? But love is actually when you settle and you know कि you can be with somebody forever and they accept you for however you are. वही तो पहला क्या मेरा ही गिरा है? I must have said something really true. It's a sign.
Wow, you make it sound like I really don't know what love is, but maybe this movie will teach me. We'll never know. But now that we are here and the teleprompter already prompted us, can we move on to the summer anthem of 2026? You guys know what we're talking about. Guys, come on, let's hear it for Jab Talak. We are going to be doing this Goa style.
I think they're a lot more organic in everything, including what they eat. I think everyone is relying less on other highs and letting love be the biggest high. And I think this film gives love hope, and I think that's what's cool about it. Like the first one had a lot more, had a very intense second half. This second half is very, very unconventional. So, but like I said, I'm not going to say much. You got to buy a ticket.
Well, you have my money already, like literally my scanner is out somewhere. But speaking of the first cocktail, it was such a huge success. Were you ever like scared of making the next one? Did you almost not make it?
I wouldn't say we didn't make it. We took 13 years to make it. So most people would be out of work by then. But I think you should make a film when, like we always say, you cannot not make the film. So when Love narrated it, we knew we had to make it. And I must tell you, this was the quickest casting in history. I was talking to Shahid. I remember I was at my balcony and I told him, this there. You're a great actor, but here you have to have fun. And he said, yeah, I'm on. And same happened with these two. So I think it was the easiest film to cast. It was a fun ride, right? So, homie, I want to ask a question. Did you prefer shooting Cocktail 1 or Cocktail 2? I said I'll make the questions a little more interesting.
I was younger
Masala
then.
chahiye, masala.
I was younger then. I had a better time shooting this one.
Are you being politically
You don't
correct?
have a choice.
Because I live in the moment and this is my moment right now.
Rashmika, what about you? Which cocktail did you enjoy more?
In the first one.
Oh, I didn't know. Oh. Rashmika, say something. Don't you all want Rashmika? I know the Paps love her. She should say something more, na? Come on, Rashmika. I know you.
What should I say? You ask a question, I'll answer.
Have you ever been in a love triangle?
No.
शादी हो गया, I know, मैं past की बात कर
No,
रही हूँ.
no, no. I've not had this love triangle situation.
What was the
So
cocktail
this
you
was my
had
first.
in your wedding?
Huh?
What's the cocktail you had in your wedding?
I actually didn't drink at my wedding. I was just too busy partying.
We made up for it.
Yeah. They made up for it.
Love you. Thank you so much.
Comfort or excitement? If you just had to pick one.
किसी भी t-shirt for sure. I only sleep in किसी भी t-shirts. I cannot sleep in anything that looks new or naya or like I need very old comfortable clothes. So that's a line that I really resonated with. I was like ये तो मेरी life है. So 100% किसी भी t-shirt.
Wow, I wasn't talking about sleeping, but since we are there, Kriti, have you ever been in a love triangle? Since you asked Rashmika that.
What is that have to do with sleeping?
I think the
What are
movie
you trying
will
to
tell
say?
us more. You're giving away too much.
She was just trying a smooth transition.
Settlement.
Let it help me out here. Dinesh has already taken us off track. I love this.
Well, I think जब मैं school में थी तो I had a crush on my really close friend's crush. So it wasn't really, but I didn't do much about it. I wasn't like Ali. क्योंकि हम ना अच्छे दोस्त हैं. यहाँ पे हम अच्छे दोस्त नहीं हैं इतने. So उतने भी अच्छे दोस्त नहीं हैं, you know. So I didn't do much about it, but yeah, I had a crush. But good I didn't go for it because that guy turned out to be a bit of a red flag.
You had a crush on a crush's crush.
I had a
Or is
crush
the
on my best friend's crush.
Girl, okay, that's the tea right there.
I
That's
didn't do
cocktail.
anything about it.
That's
It's-
cocktail one story. by the way.
Yeah, well, all that happened in her head. It never really happened in life. Like, so we're discussing hypothetical. तेरा hypothetical है, कुछ हुआ नहीं.
मैंने कुछ किया
But
नहीं.
from a boy's point of view, I think a cocktail is when actually there are two girls involved in life, not in our head, no?
It could be in your head also.
Did it ever happen like?
No,
did
nothing
you ever-
happened between.
Never in
no.
a triangle actually.
No. I just had a crush. Like I was a baby, you know. I just like crushed on
Shahid,
him,
that
that's
you got
about it.
stuck in a
Such nice,
triangle.
sweet people on this stage.
Yeah. I
really
think
can't
Shahid
talk
has got
about.
stuck in a couple of
I really
triangles.
can't talk about.
I think you must give us
It
something
is very
spicy
politically
here.
correct for a film that we're trying to make very real and raw and organic. It is very politically correct. So I will also say, never. मेरे तो मन में भी ख्याल नहीं आया था.
He didn't do a triangle, he did, what is it called? Hexagon.
मेरा circle था मैं. Yeah? Started from the same place and ended in the same place.
क्या बात.
It's like.
That's an LIT situation then. But anyone on this stage had a threesome?
अरे बाप रे बाप
कौन
Has
बोला
anyone
ये?
on this
Of
stage
course,
had a threesome?
everybody here is going to tell you when they've not answered the triangle question.
I was trying to catch you off guard. Everyone's
press
trying to
what
be
we've
really
done.
spilling it.
I
Somebody
think you're
back
on the
there
wrong
said.
stage right now.
There was somebody
feel
back there
so.
said yeah.
You guys seem to know so much about this. I feel like the kid.
There was some banda
You should
there who
ask the
said
audience.
yeah. Who's the yeah? Who said yeah? Almost like you're like in the middle of it right now. कौन था भाई? हाँ? कौन बोला? है ना? कौन बोला? चाचा.
पीछे से आवाज आ रहा है.
चाचा.
चाचा
अरे चाचा. कौन फ्री थे? तुम, तुम्हारे ख्याल और तुम्हारी तन्हाई.
Love, what is it about just a two-person love story that is just not enough for you?
It's actually my first triangle that I've written.
Really? A true triangle.
ना
How?
मैंने लिखा है ना तरुण ने लिखा है. तरुण और मैंने पहला लव ट्रायंगल लिखा है. इससे पहले ट्रायंगल कभी नहीं लिखा है.
इसमें दो लड़के और एक लड़की थी ना आपका जो पिछला ट्रायंगल था.
हाँ, उसमें
मोहब्बत दो लड़कों के
रोमांस
बीच
था. ये एक्चुअल एक लड़का दो लड़की की पहली फिल्म लिखी है मैंने.
But how is that different?
How is that different? It's different because आपको दो अलग-अलग तरीके के कैरेक्टर्स और उनके प्यार के साथ खेलने को मिलता है.
खेलने को.
हाँ, मतलब एज अ राइटर तो आप खेल ही रहे होते हो ना. और सब क्या हो गया ना, किसी वक्त जैसे बदला है तो उसमें लव स्टोरीज की लेंथ बहुत बढ़ गई है. आज से 10-12 साल पहले हम कभी भी ऐसी लव स्टोरीज की बात नहीं करते थे जहां आप रिलेशनशिप में 8 साल से हो, 9 साल से हो. तो इसलिए कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स बहुत चेंज हो गए. पहले की आप अगर लव स्टोरीज उठा के देखो तो प्यार को पाना वो सबसे बड़ा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता था. आज प्यार को बनाए रखना अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है.
I clocked it. It's the maintenance. You're right. You're right. Homie, you also said this is very relevant, right? Are you speaking from personal experience?
That there are a lot of rumors that you and Kriti are a couple in the film. Do you want to clear that right now?
I think the rumors are coming from one place only. I feel. Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
From where?
Shahid, I didn't say nothing, guys. Oh, why would I want it that way? I have nothing to do with that. कहाँ से आ रहे हैं rumors? कौन फैला रहा है?
No, but Rashmika, for your chemistry with Kriti has been on fire. Like, how easy was it to click into that?
Instantly happened. Instantly, there was no. I think reading was the first time we actually met.
No, actually, we first met when we worked out together in the same studio, and I literally died because she works out like a beast, and I really didn't know that.
But instantly, even that day, there was no effort. It was just so easy. And when we started,
Do you think that's the reason people think there's a lesbian love story?
you never knew.
You know, I think it's really
Because
sad.
of your natural chemistry.
But I think it's really sad because, like he said, दो लड़के होते हैं तो ब्रोमांस हो जाता है स्ट्रेट. दो लड़कियां होती हैं तो somehow people don't want to believe they can be friends. या तो इनमें rivalry है या फिर अच्छा दोस्त लग रही है, नहीं तो फिर तो कुछ और चल रहा होगा. So it's really fun.
Okay, let me just clear it up. This is where the rumor came from. We were all sitting on the set. They definitely get a little cuddly with each other because they are friends. And we just sort of hypothetically thought, hey, what if the story was about them and Shahid was the third wheel just driving that
I think it could be a
coupe?
cool one. It It could be very cool one.
And I just said I wouldn't mind making a movie
Achha,
like
guys,
that, and that's
we were
it.
supposed to clear this up. So just
Oh, sorry.
as you
So
see
there is
the
nothing.
trailer, there are two love stories. पुराना love और नया love और ये love और कुछ नहीं है, किसी का love नहीं है इस picture.
So that is that about Diya, but I think it's actually a slice of life. You guys will relate to it. There are some things which you might probably feel like this has happened in my life or is happening in my life. So that's on you guys. Watch the film, and I'll leave it to you.
Well, I can't wait to meet Diya, Ali and Kunal. But now I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. आपको कुछ सवाल पूछना?
You were there standing on the balcony when you decided that it's Shahid. Is it like really you were standing on the balcony when you decided that it's Shahid, Kriti and Rashmika to be casted?
इससे तेरी लाइफ को क्या फर्क पड़ता है वो कहाँ खड़ा था?
Actually, you know,
That's very interesting.
Shahid lives across my building.
Wow.
So I was thinking, हम दिख गया मुझे इसलिए cast. Is that a better story?
Yeah.
I think it's better. You can write that.
Kriti, my next question
Hi.
is for you.
कृति हमारे बिल्डिंग में ही होती है तो हम उसको कास्ट कर लेते हैं.
Yeah. Please say.
So my question is, you've literally raised the temperature in Mashuka. Like you're my spirit animal.
Oh, wow.
You're like the carefree person, the carefree character I have seen. How was the experience flaunting beautifully your body in the movie and even in Mashuka? We loved
I
it.
must say it was a very tough experience because I wasn't getting to eat much, and I was for the first time in my life on a very strict diet, that too in Italy. And I think Shahid can vouch for the fact that I was extremely cranky and hangry all the time. So yeah, I mean everything is worth it. I hope so. Now that you're saying that Ali is feeling like your spirit animal, I hope everything is worth it. Yeah.
Rashmika. So I want to know what are the quirks about them that you actually had to, just be with, and you were like, okay, this is something I'll have to deal with every day.
You should start by saying who was the easiest actor to work with.
Ooh.
Mayur.
I'd have to say Shahid was the easiest to work with. He was. Sorry, girls. But for various reasons. But anyway, we won't get into that. The quirks while shooting, I can tell you. These are the small things I've noticed. Shahid, when he's flustered, will start blinking madly. And something else is going on in his head because he's just constantly like this.
Yeah, and you always come and tell me, stop blinking.
Stop blinking.
Everything will be fine. Just stop blinking.
Yeah. Kriti has a question in a non-question also. So she will ask you 1 million questions, which I like. I like actors who ask questions. But Kriti will also try and put her point across to you when she knows I'm not going to listen, as if it's my idea.
There's no harm in trying,
There's no harm in trying. And Rashmika is a live wire, fantastic actor between action and cut, after which she falls into deep sleep. We never see her. When we're eating during the shoot, whenever we have non-stuff left,
Romy or being
she's
rude,
sleeping.
I've seen her 3 times. I came always on the treadmill.
That was in the shot. That was in the shot. Otherwise, but yeah. So she's a different animal when you say action, and then she's a ghost after cut.
Actually, I have played a robot with Shahid, but in life she's the robot because I don't know how she functions. She has a huge battery life because she still is able to function after doing 10,000 things every day.
Hi.
Hi Rashmika and Kriti. Rashmika, Pelli Roju Shubhakamshu. You are such a beautiful bride. My question is for Rashmika.
You mean in the trailer, right? She's also a bride in the trailer.
Oh, she was killing when.
So she loved her as a bride in the trailer. Going on.
Thank you.
Mayur.
So my question is, your previous film, when we talk about Chava, the girlfriend, oh I love the girlfriend as well, amazing. And they have been a bit on the heavier side. And now Cocktail happens to be the lighter version. So what made you pick Cocktail 2?
Dinu sir, Love sir, homie sir, the whole gang. As in, No, but honestly, I was really scared because this is by far the most urban I've looked in cinema. And because of
Double
my
wide.
films thus far, I feel like the audience sort of somewhere expect a very serious, dramatic sort of performance from me. But for the first time, I've done something this lighthearted, which is specifying on friendship, the madness, the love. For me, initially I was like, is this the right move to make? But at the same time, because I've never done something like this before, I had to do it. Because I feel like the audience are also looking for something surprising, something new, something very different. And that was one of the main reasons why I thought it was a perfect fit.
Also, was it easier?
No. Filmmaking is not easy, my love. I feel like no films can be easy, but definitely the people who you're working with can make it very light for you, very memorable for you, and this was one such.
You in this situation, now redlining Cocktail. How does this special moment feel for you, and how does it feel to anchor this kind of a project?
The college portions make me feel very embarrassed. I almost want to apologize to my children because I know when they grow up, they'll be like, Dad, you were 45 when you're doing that? Like, why? So, but I must say that, I still enjoy doing all types of things. As an actor, your primary job is not to be yourself. That anybody can do that. It's to do things that might seem very far-stretched. There are actors who play much older themselves, actors who have to play younger. But, I mean, it's just fun, man. I actually wondered, before I started this film, what will I be able to bring to a film like this, and whether I'll be repeating myself. But by the end of the film, I actually thought to myself that why haven't I done this in so long? Because I had such a good time doing it. But I don't think it would be possible if I did not have, say, a Tino think about me, because I live across, so that was just good luck. So he didn't, you cannot give that credit to him. But having Homie as a filmmaker who brought something new out of me, who was not interested, I don't think he's seen more than half our films, and that really helps. Yeah, he said ma'am, right? So that really helps because I think for him, he doesn't care what we've done before, and he's looking for his character, and that actually helps us do something new. And I don't think I could have done it without Rashmika and without Kriti. I think they are an amazing cast for this film, and it's really the energy of everybody that's showing in the film. It's not about any individual.
Shahid, you want to say something about Pritam?
ये आ गए हैं, ये हमेशा लेट हैं.
This is the fourth person in the threesome. Pritam.
Pritam is late because he's got a surprise
for the film. Was there any scene where you were a little skeptical of and it was approaching you like how to do that scene, how to convert it?
I mean, I was skeptical before we started, but I think the first day, Homie just made some expressions and showed me. And I was like, अब अगर यही करना है तो फिर सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. बस निकल जाते हैं इस राइड के ऊपर. And कुछ अच्छा हो गया, bro, because he completely broke the stereotypical approach that an actor has, and that's why I keep picking his name again and again. He'll get tired, he gets very embarrassed. Everything Kunal is because of Homie. I would say all of us.
Yeah, absolutely. So one last question. Sorry. But
No, Rashmika knows that language.
So Pritam da ke साथ, how are you planning to create that magic again with the whole album? Because अभी हमने 3 गाने देखे, but there's more coming on the way.
So now, where's Pritam Da? Come here.
My question is,
So Pritam Da is the most, he's an option king. So he gives you so many options. Like even today, there'll be behind, you can go and open, there'll be A, B, C, D. Now the team is confused which one to play. But the thing is, he doesn't give up. And I think that's what we have in common. I believe with Maddock, not just me, all these lovely people here, they keep going at it till the best possible product comes out. Cocktail was the first film Maddock made. It built us. And then there's been a long journey. And when you say it's an emotion, it's great. I hope we live up to it. But there are 2 people outside of Love and Homie who built Cocktail. One is Pritam and one is Anaita Shobhamjania there. Because, come up. She's the one who made, she's also common. She made Deepika, Saif and Diana look the way they did. And now these 3 are also thanks to her. So it's not just Homie. So Shai is giving a lot of credit. So I said behind every good-looking man, there's an even more good-looking woman. So, yeah.
Sir,
I want to ask one last thing. कितना कितनी दीपिका, डायना और सैफ सर की कितनी झलक है हमारे नए ट्रायो में? While writing, how much did you keep that in mind?
Love wrote.
Love should answer this.
Love answer that.
Love, sir,
But I don't think that
Since you've been
anyone-
asking homie questions about writing, love is just
नहीं, उनकी कोई झलक नहीं है उनमें, क्योंकि अगर उनकी झलक होती तो सेम फिल्म बन जाती ना फिर तो नए कैरेक्टर्स हैं, नए लोग हैं, इसलिए नई फिल्म है.
Also, the conflict is new. Cocktail was just, you know, a vibe and about, like you said, two people falling for the same person, right? Whereas this cocktail has a very strong plot point, like Love does most of the time, which we've not revealed. So we'll give you a little bit more when you come into the theatre. And the good part is you can watch it with everybody.
Hail Mogambo. He is
How
back.
was it collaborating with Maddox for the first time?
Second time. तेरी बातों में उलझा दिया उसको.
Who's she asking?
Love and Ankur.
No, I think she's asking love.
Did you think आप इस फिल्म के बहुत ही लकी एक्टर हैं? थ्रीसम भी मिलता है, घंटी भी बजाने को मिल जाती है आपको.
बेटा दूर से ये सब बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. थ्रीसम तू तब तक सो रहा था. थ्रीसम कीवर्ड्स तो पिकअप करना है. इसको डिजिटल टीम में रखना चाहिए. ही पिक्स अप कीवर्ड्स. वो तो देख ले फिल्म में क्या क्या मिला है, क्या नहीं मिला है.
I want to clarify, there is no physical threesome in the film, it's only emotional threesome. It's a family film.
He's very disappointed.
No.
Hello? Yeah.
He's not going to accept it. नहीं love ऐसे ही बोल रहा है उसको.
Hello? Yeah.
So then she could answer a part of the question.
So I definitely found it extremely easy, and I'll tell you how, and I'll tell you why. Yeah, sorry,
Sir, आपने question पूछा, answer तो सुनो.
anyways.
कहाँ गए? आधा question खत्म हुआ है. He's gone.
Okay, chalo, should we? I just had a great time working with Shahid because, you know, between action and a cut, you normally have to say what the lines are written. But somewhere Shahid and I, after the cut would happen and they would still roll, there would be these little improv sort of lines and little, you know, actions that we would do, which I felt we were truly in the character, and it was genuinely. It was those bits which was really special for me because you don't get that with a lot of co-actors. You know, you like.
And me, special for me as well. Very much.
I feel like those are extremely. As in, if we were to release an extended cut, you would probably see. But I don't know how much is there in the film, but
There is
that would
another
happen.
cut that homie wants to do.
Hi. So, firstly, I have to say, that a film like Cocktail or any other Maddox film cannot be complete without its music, and I think music plays a character in itself for a film like this. So, people have to ask. We asked about the actors about their preparation, but for you, how was it to kind of prepare and process the whole?
कीर्ति लेफ्ट पे देखिए, कीर्ति लेफ्ट जाओ. जाफर भाई. शाहिद भाई लेफ्ट में. शाहिद भाई लेफ्ट पे. थैंक यू. मंगेश आपकी आवाज फ्लाइट है. रश्मि का लेफ्ट. लिली यहाँ पे. लिली लेफ्ट में. अरे क्या बात है. लेफ्ट में देखिए सर. लेफ्ट. शाहिद भाई लेफ्ट में. रश्मि का लेफ्ट में.
आणि 2 मिनिटात करतो. हॅलो 2 मिनिटात करतो 2 मिनिटात.
ये उंगवा लेना मोबाइल तारो
सर सेंटर सर लेफ्ट में राइट प्लीज सर वो भी सर आइए सर सेंटर सेंटर
लुकिया सा यस येऊन दे.
या लेफ्ट में देखिए लेफ्ट कृति लेफ्ट में देखिए रश्मिका लेफ्ट अरे नीचे जवाब देना बे
लेफ्ट साइड लुकिया लेफ्ट साइड.
वेट
हा फक्त
Yeah, can't fool flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came, country boys stepping.